Hey there, seafood enthusiasts. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to uncover the fascinating world of fish processing right here in Poland, one of Europe's top spots for the freshest and finest seafood. Let's dive right in. Imagine this, the cold, clear waters of the Baltic Sea, home to a bounty of fish. But once these fish are caught, what happens next? That's what we're here to find out. First up, the arrival. Fish, freshly caught, are brought to the processing plant straight from the sea. Speed is key here to maintain that ocean fresh flavor. Workers dressed in sanitary gear waste no time moving the fish from boats to the processing lines. Now onto the main event, processing. It's not just about gutting and scaling. It's an art form. Machines and skilled laborers work hand in hand. They fillet, they slice, and they pack under strict hygiene standards. Ever wondered how those fish fillets look so perfect in your supermarket? This is where the magic happens. And let's not forget about sustainability, a key part of the process. These factories are committed to responsible sourcing and waste reduction, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. From using every part of the fish to managing resources, it's all about respecting the environment. To cap it off, the packaged fish are ready to travel across Poland and beyond, ending up on your plate fresh as can be. So next time you enjoy the delicious fish dinner, remember the meticulous care and intricate processes it went through to reach you. That's a wrap on our tour of fish processing in Poland. Fascinating, isn't it? From the catch to your kitchen, it's a journey of speed, skill, and sustainability. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep enjoying that delicious seafood.